Welcome back to another boxing training video. In today's video, we'll be breaking down the combination lead uppercut, rear cross, leader hook. So 5, 2, 3. Let's break this down. But before we break this down, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Now, get into your fighting positions. With the lead uppercut, it is critical to shoot in at one element, right? One motion, not a two motions, not a shoot in, then uppercut. No, because you leave yourself open for counters. Get into your fighting position and shoot in. You see how I shoot in like that? I'm breaking the distance, but yet my chin is hovered in between my shoulder. The other hand protecting my chin and ribber cage, all in one motion. You see that? Like this. So when you do get that countered, it's just going to hit the top of your head or your glove. No brain damage. Maybe a little headache. That is it. So, step 1, shoot in with the lead uppercut. When you push your opponent's chin up, you will bring it back down. And I don't mean bring it down like this. You're not a dig in the grave. No. You just bring it right back to here, right? So you're here, bring it back. So when you're bringing it back, you're rotating the power. Boom! Right into the 2. You see that? So you're here, right? You're shot in, you're bringing it back. Boom! Right into the 2. Right? All right. So after you're done the 2, you're going to retract the punch. When you're retracting the punch, you're sitting back or down. Boom! Throwing the hook. You see that? No? Pay attention then. You're right here. You see how I'm about to my heel? Watch the heel. You see the heel sitting down? Boom! You see the rotation? That is good. That is what you want to do. So let's break it all down again. You shoot in. Lead uppercut. 2, 3. All right. Let's slow it down again. Lead uppercut, protecting the chin, protecting the other side, retracting, shooting the 2, retracting the 2, shooting the 3. All right. And you may notice I'm not doing a 3 like this. I'm coming down because I want to hit the opponent's chin and open up the mouth, break the jaw, push it in the ground. That is what you want to do. Now, let's speed it up just a little bit. Lead uppercut. 2, 3. Now we slow it down so you can see. All right. Now we speed it up. So, just like that. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.